If you're looking to make an alternative living cash cow channel, which will be going in just a few seconds, I just want to let you know congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end to see if this niche gets the green light or red light stamp of approval. Subscribe if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. Check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below if you are interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the content. So in order to make an alternative living cash cow channel, I want to start out by showing you guys what a successful channel looks like so we can start drawing some inspiration from. Now let's go switch over to viewer mode and let's go investigate on YouTube. Now we got to think of what someone interested in alternative living would look up on YouTube. As I scroll down, I see the most interesting video we see right here is this small house. I'm literally sitting on a rock in the middle of a river. Let's go check it out. So as we're watching the video, we got some stock footage of just the Dina River we seen right now. I see the home sitting on top of the river. We had those transition effects. We have a little kid just pointing fingers at you. So this is easily free stock footage that you guys could download from multiple sources. You know, you could get these sources free on Google. You just got to look them up. There's going to be a voiceover narrating this video. We have some subtitles also as well. You do have some transition effects. And it's just people, you know, welcoming them to their home. Obviously, this man right here is not going to be the one behind the YouTube channel, but he's the one just presenting the content, as they probably did an interview on him. And you could easily look this up on copyright-free like interviews that you could look up on Google or YouTube. There are also images that you could also get and just display them in your video as well. Easy to download. Just make sure that they're copyright-free. I would love to hear from you guys as well. Comment down below. What alternative living would you rather live in? Under a rock like Patrick or inside a pineapple like SpongeBob? Now, if we scroll down, we can see that this video does have a decent amount of interaction and engagement, as it does have 400 comments. It also does have over 800,000 views, and the channel does have over 5 million subscribers. So that is some pretty amazing numbers to be reaching. Now let's go check out the type of videos that this channel is making. If we scroll down in their homepage, we see this channel is called Top Trending, and they do have some uploads of just the tallest buildings. I see the most expensive kind of stuff, the top 15 richest people. We do have some popular uploads of whatever they got going on right here. Now, if we do explore their channel, they're gonna give you some information that is trending, like top 15 richest people in the earth, top 15 richest homes, like that kind of thing. So this is more of a top 10 kind of channel, but they do have some videos related to alternative living, home kind of videos, as I do see the most expensive homes in Europe, and the video like we seen earlier, the 10 tiniest homes that will blow your mind. Now let's check out how their monetization is going, how many views these guys are getting in on their channel, and how much money they're making each month just in ad revenue. I can now see the channel stats. I can see the amount of views the channel is getting, how much money they're making in ad revenue. As we can see, in just the last 30 days, this channel has clocked in over 1 million views in just the past 30 days, and they're roughly making around 4.7 thousand in monthly earnings, and this is getting them towards over just the $50,000 mark throughout the year. So this does tell me that there is a large audience interested in some trendy information just like this, and you can include alternative living within your content. You just have to be really creative with how you present it and the type of videos that you want to make. If you are enjoying the content, I would appreciate you guys leaving a like down below. Now let's check out how easy these videos are to make. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. A video is just as easy as putting your bed together. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Let me know in the comment section down below as well. Now we gotta check out if this niche does get the stamp of approval. Does it get the green light or the red light? I would say that the alternative living niche does get the yellow light. And what I mean by the yellow light is that it is still possible to become successful with this niche, but you do need to be aware of something. I can see that there's a demand for these kind of videos, and as long as you can make them entertaining and you present them in a creative way, then you can be successful with your channel, and most definitely the profit is there to be made. This is also a sub niche of the real estate niche, so that is a great niche to be within. A bonus is that these videos are easy to make, and YouTube automation can serve as a great backbone for this niche. The videos that we went over in the video I just made for you guys, or the videos that we went over by exploring the channel, I would say use them as inspiration, but try not to copy them. Be as creative as you can when you're making your own cash cow channel. This is also just one niche, guys, so if this may not work out for you, there's gonna be other niches that we're gonna be exploring in future videos as well. But let's say this is for you. You have two options. Option A, you can do this yourself. You can also run into the possibility of wasting your time by trying to figure out how to do YouTube correctly. Or you have option B, which is going to be the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube automation. If this is something that you'll be interested in doing, I highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here as we're going to be exploring the next niche to see if it gets the green light or the red light stamp of approval. Subscribe to TubeGrade if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below, as it is my #1 recommended way to make money with YouTube. Peace out.